Oppo Reno S. Chinese smartphone giant Oppo has always been a key player in India's budget phone segment and recently started entering other pricing segments like the mid-range and flagship range. The company has been successful with its Reno series as these phones offer excellent features and specs with attractive prices. The latest in the series is the Oppo Reno S. This device comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display offering a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The Reno S packs a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset under the hood and is equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage space. The phone has a rear quad camera setup with a 64MP plus 8MP plus 13MP plus 2MP configuration on the back. For selfies, the Reno S has the signature shark fin pop-up camera with a 20MP lens. The battery is a large 4300 mAh cell that supports VOOC charging, Oppo S fast charging technology. Oppo Reno S price. The Oppo Reno S price is expected to be $0.550. The Oppo Reno S launch is scheduled to happen in February 2020. The 8GB 128GB model is expected to be priced at around $0.550 and will be available in black, green, and gold color options. Oppo Reno S details 6.5-inch LCD display. Bezel-less design is something that the Oppo Reno series has been known for, and it is a similar case for the Reno S as well. The phone looks distinct with its shark fin pop-up mechanism, and the bezel-less display adds to the overall visual appeal. The 6.53-inch screen is an IPS LCD panel offering a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels with a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch. Snapdragon 855 Plus quad camera. The Oppo Reno South comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage space, which is more than sufficient for a typical user. Powering the device is a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset from Qualcomm with an Adreno 640 GPU for graphics. With these performance specs, gaming is an activity one can definitely enjoy on the Reno S. The phone runs on Color OS, which is currently offering Android Pie. You also get a memory slot to add expandable memory up to 256GB. The camera capabilities of Reno phones have always been impressive. With the quad camera setup on the Reno S, you can definitely experiment and get some great results. On the rear setup, you get a 64MP primary shooter, an 8MP ultrawide camera, a 13MP telephoto lens, and also a 2MP depth sensor for your bokeh shots. You can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second with the rear camera. You can shoot 1080p videos with the 20MP pop-up camera on the front. 4300 mAh battery, VOOC fast charge, connectivity options. VOOC fast charge is an impressive feature because of how quickly it charges large batteries. The Reno S features VOOC 3.0 with 20W charging, which helps juice up the 4300 mAh battery to full capacity rapidly. Connectivity options include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11a, per gram, N, AC, and a GPS. The phone features a Type-C port for charging, data transfer, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for your traditional earphones. For more update, like, subscribe and share this video.